We'll show you how to remove audio from a video on your Mac. Whether you want to mute a video for sharing or simply need it silent, we've got you covered. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. For this task, we will use iMovie on your Mac. This is a pre-installed app on your device, so you should not have any issues with it. If you removed it from your device, you can easily reinstall it. Open iMovie from your Applications folder or by searching for it in Spotlight. It seems that I do not have it anymore on my Mac, as I have not used it much, so I will have to install it. Click on the App Store. Search for iMovie and click Get or the cloud icon when you find the app. Now the app is installed. Let's open it. Click Continue. Click on Create New and select Movie from the options. Click on the Import Media button. Browse to find the video you want to mute and import it into your project. Allow iMovie to access your files. When the file is imported, just double-click it or drag the imported video from the media library to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Click on the video clip in the timeline to select it. Now right-click the video clip timeline. From the menu that pops up, select Attach Audio. You will see two files now on the timeline. One is the audio and one is the video file. Let's see for now how we can remove only a part of the audio from the file. Let's say maybe we want to send the file, but we want to remove something that we said. When you go with the mouse pointer, you see a line. Go with the mouse over the audio timeline to the start of the selection you want to delete. Right-click on that zone. A new menu will appear. Click on Split. Now go to the end of the part you want to delete and do the same. You will see now that you have a part of the audio file that is fragmented. Right-click on the part you want to delete. Now from the menu that appears, select Delete. You have removed now a part of the audio, keeping the rest of the audio untouched. But what if you want to remove the full audio of the file? I will just restore the file until we did the split. Now we have the full audio file. Right-click on the audio timeline. Select the delete option and the file is now mute. After we have done all the changes, click on the share button from the top right. Select Export File. Choose your export settings and click Next. Name your file, choose a save location, and click Save. The video will be saved without audio. And that's it. You've successfully removed audio from your video on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.